Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to set up Google Play services with your Cocos 2D.js project using the Cocos helper. As always, you need to watch the getting started video before being able to continue with this video, so be sure to check out that. There will be a link in the description, and you'll also need the latest version of the Cocos helper, which you get from GitHub, and again the link will be in the description. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Google Play Developer Console and set up your game service by clicking Add New Game, and you can add achievements and leaderboards, and you can basically generate all the numbers that you're going to need to put into the settings file. I'm not going to show you how to do this because you can go check that out on the C++ side tutorial and just save a bit of time. It's really straightforward. Just click add and follow all the settings. And so once you've done that, you then want to open up your project. Actually, no you don't. Once you've done that, you're going to open up your project folder and the Cocos helper master folder, and I'm just going to go into that and go into that. So first we're going to add the framework, so the Google Play Services framework. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go to frameworks, runtime source, project Android, source, Sonar Systems frameworks, and paste it in. And that's all you need to do, and now we can open up our project in Eclipse, which I've already got open. It's just a standard blank project. Just going to refresh and I should get some errors. Google Play Services. So I'm going to go into the manifest first and set that ready. So if you open up the manifest, you can go down to where it says required for Google Play Services, and you need the full lot. You need the games app ID, which we'll set in a moment, and obviously the Google Play Services version requirements. So just uncomment that and you'll be fine, and just ignore that error for now. It's because we haven't added in the Google Play Services library. So next we're going to go into resources, values, and Sonar framework settings, and we are going to get the Google Play game app ID. So if you go back to Google Play Developer Console, on my game service, that's where your app ID is. So I'm going to copy that and just paste it in, and yeah, I'm just going to create a quick file. Actually, no, I'll just hardcode them. I'll just hardcode the achievement and stuff just for the tutorial. So yeah, ignore what I just said. So paste in your app ID. That's fine. And finally, go to framework settings and use Google Play Services to true. And you can see it requires a Google Play Services library. So if you don't know how to add this in, I'm going to show you. If you haven't already downloaded it, if you go to the Android SDK Manager, go all the way down to extras until you see Google Play Services, and just tick and install, and that will download to a directory here. So if you go to wherever this path shows you, so mine's Documents Development Android SDK, so that's where you're going to navigate to now. So you can go File, Import, Existing Android Code into Workspace, click Next, and then browse that location. So mine is Documents, Development, Android SDK, and then it goes to Extras, Google Play Services, and then click on Lib Project, click OK, and you should see the project ready to import. So click Finish, and it's imported. So now we want to link it with our project, so we're going to right click on our project, go to Properties, click on the Android tab, click Add Google Play Services Library, and then go to Java Build Path, Libraries, Add Jars, and then if you expand the Google Play Services Library, go to the bin folder and Google Play Services lib.jar, and order it export. Just click OK, and all of our errors have gone away. So now we're ready to start writing some code. So I will just show you example code for signing in. So I've got my hello world layer, just the default Cocos project with a button. So when a button's clicked, then this log comes out, but I'm gonna sign in if we're not already signed in. So just gonna find the functions. Okay, sign in is signed in, so I'm going to do, if I'm not already signed in, then sign me in. I think it's a lowercase. Yeah. So that'll sign us in when the button is pressed, which I will show you the result in a moment. But I'll just quickly show you an example of how you would unlock an achievement. Well, let's do submit score. That's just an example of that. So it takes the leaderboard ID and the score. So leaderboard ID, again, you get from your Google Play Developer Console on your game service. If you click on your leaderboards on one you've created, that would be your leaderboard ID. And you can hard code it, which I'm just doing it for this tutorial, just to save time, but you probably put in like a definitions file or something and name it as leaderboard or something like that. And score of 100, let's say. So that's how you would submit a score, and you can see all the other examples again on the C++ side of the video, which is they're almost identical. It's just the function call is slightly different, like the syntax, because obviously this is JS and that's C++. But yeah, I'm just going to show the result of signing in. So I'm going to build it and switch over to camcorder and show you guys the results. So as you can see, the app's on my phone. I'm going to push the button and the Google Play Games Services sign in thing comes in, and you can click sign in. It'll probably fail because I haven't uploaded my app to the store to be linked. Yeah, so it failed to sign in, but if once you've uploaded your app to the store and linked it to your game service, then you should be good to go. But yeah, so, and then you can add achievements and leaderboards from there. So hopefully this has helped you get Google Play services into your JS game. As always, have a good day.